Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva for Etsy. We'll start by exploring Canva's intuitive interface, perfect for crafting eye-catching visuals for your shop. You'll learn to select the right templates, customize them with your unique branding, and ensure your designs are perfectly sized for Etsy's platform. This will help your products stand out to potential customers. Next, let's focus on creating compelling listing images. Etsy allows up to 10 photos per listing, so make each one count. Aim for a consistent aesthetic that reflects your brand. Showcase your product from various angles, highlighting key features and benefits. Remember to optimize these images for mobile users, as many shoppers browse on their phones. Now, let's talk about your shop's overall branding, starting with your banner and logo. Your shop banner is often the first thing customers see, so make it inviting and reflective of your brand. A professional logo helps establish instant recognition. Canva provides thousands of fonts and graphic elements to help you craft a truly unique and cohesive brand presence across your entire Etsy shop. Finally, let's cover some essential tips for success and exporting your creations. Always export your finished designs in high-resolution JPEG or PNG formats to ensure crisp quality on Etsy. Double-check Etsy's specific image requirements, such as a minimum of 2,000 pixels on the shortest side for listing images. Regularly refreshing your shop's visuals can also keep your brand engaging and attract new customers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.